Really hope the Hurricane comes through. And then switch into Arcanine. Because we can take these Dragon Darts. We're taking them just fine. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. And welcome back to what should be another episode of Draco's Journey to Master Ball, where I use rental teams and blah, 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 blah. Anyways, the season has ended. It has not started. The new season has not started yet. So we're just going to jump on the casual ladder. We're going to play some casual battles and see what happens next. I'm really excited for this, actually, because San Diego is tomorrow as of when this video goes up. Starts on the 7th. Today's like the 5th. Yeah, today's the 5th. San Diego starts on the 7th, runs through the weekend. It's the first regional in the United States for Scarlet and Violet, so I'm super stoked about it. That's going to lead right to the question of the day, and it's a simple one, and it is going to be, what do you think is going to be the most used Pokemon at San Diego? It's going to be Maushold. Maushold right now is the most used Pokemon on on ladder. I've literally battled so many, it's ridiculous. I really do think it's going to be Maushold. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Anyways, I was going to use this rain team right here. So, we might just use it. But then again, maybe I'll use this baby doll team. I had a blast with it. I really want to use this one again. Alright, let's just use this rain team. So this rain team's been featured on a whole bunch of other content creators. Cybertron featured it, Pokesports, so I figured why not? Needed a team to use today, and I picked this one. Anyways, an Urban Skier has some sauce. They do have Tailwind. Kind of makes me want to possibly, maybe, could be a thing where I set up Trick Room. Who does the damage? Maushold sucks. See? Didn't I just say Maushold? We have Tailwind too. What am I talking about? I'm being silly here. So we could just what if we lead our Tailwind user? We don't have a fake out user, do we? No, we don't. I guess we just go like that. Bring Chomp in the back because Golden Go could have that Thunderbolt. And let's bring Arcanine. I know Arcanine has Intimidate, that's why. Let's run it. Arcanine has Intimidate, so maybe we can switch in, spam some Intimidates. Plus they have Golden Goal, which is Steel, but can tear into anything, which is... I actually seen that Smogom or whatever, whoever is in charge of the OU and stuff like that was thinking about banning Terra, which it didn't happen, thank God, because that just would have took away from the essence of the game, in my opinion. Okay, so they're going to try and put me to sleep. That is a bit of a problem. So I think if we Tailwind, because we gotta try and get the Tailwind up, right? I mean, we could even protect this turn. An Ice Fang. I think we Tailwind. And I think we Ice Fang. We don't have Protect, huh? Oh, the taunt was very clever. I guess we should have protected. Anyways, Ice Fang comes through. Berloon hangs on with the sliverest of slivers. Meaning we're probably... Oh, they Bullet Seed. Where we're going to go down. Yeah. GG's. I figured Spore. That sucks we got taunted. We should have protected. And the bullet seed was... Yeah. Okay. Let's just go Garchomp. Alright, so Garchomp. Garchomp does not even have Protect. Okay. Let's try for a Hurricane here. And we'll Stone Hedge that. Yeah, there's the Tailwind. Yeah, we might get Bullet Seeded again here. No Protect subs. Okay, there's the Spore. I think they thought I was going to switch. I'm going to ride that Taunt out. It's 3 turns. So we take out Murkrow, which is good. Now we're asleep, which really is unfortunate. Golden Gold comes in. Okay. I need to know if Golden Gold is physical. No, it's special. Of course it's special. Okay, I can't even protect. That's unfortunate. We can only use Stone Edge because we're choiced. That's... We'll switch an Arcanine. Oh, this battle's... I don't know. This one looks lost. I'm just... not seeing, like, the... like, the out here. So there's the Terrestrialization. And it's Golden Gold. Of course it's Golden Gold. They fly. Okay. That's a good Terrestrialization for Golden Gold flying. So they go Bullet Seed. I hate those multi-moves, man. It's ridiculous. At least it's not Pop Bomb. Nasty Plot. Okay. Getting nasty over here. Still asleep. We do shake off the Taunt. 2 turns of Tailwind for them. Try for a Protect here. And a Snarl. We did wake up. Sweet. Okay, we get a Protect off. They Mach Punch. Okay. Well, that sucks. Or are these guys going to make it rain? They make it rain. Arcanine hangs on, luckily. Okay. We proc our berry. This is so tough. Okay, Snarl goes off. Breloom goes down. Oh, that's so good. Breloom went down. Wow. Whatever that thing's name is. Okay. I think this turn we protect. Oh, Garchomp. Damn. So if we go... we go... I want to switch. I really want to switch to get an Intimidate off. Let's just try for a double again. And switch into Chomp. I don't think this is the right play. Our Garchomp is Choice Banded, which is good. We get the Protect. Okay, let's go. They EQ. I guess we could have protected. Okay. Shadow Ball. Into the Protect. All right. Garchomp. Looking good. Okay, the rain stops. And their Tailwind peters out. Now, I think we set up the Tailwind. And we Dragon Claw. Of course, they could protect that thing. This is a tough battle here. We're slugging it out. We're hanging in. We got a lead, too. We have a Pokemon lead, but, like... They're thinking about what to do here. They protect with the Golden Go. Okay, no, I'm not worried about you right now. Not even. And they Dragon... Oh, we Dragon Claw. Let's go. Take out the Garchomp. Get out of my game. Get out of here. A little bit of rough skin damage here. That's okay. And we do get our Tailwind off. Alright. Well, we're going to go protect. Switch into Arcanine here. Actually, no, we're not going to protect. All we're going to do is hope the Hurricane comes through. Really hope the Hurricane comes through. And then switch into Arcanine. This resets our Choice Band. We have to reset the Choice Band. Otherwise, you know, what are we doing here? So we'll reset the Choice Band. We do get an Intimidate up. Doesn't really matter. We get the Hurricane off. That's big. That's some good damage. Okay. They make it rain. Arcanine hangs on. Let's go. Pelipper goes down. We get a free switch back into our Garchomp. And we clean up with Stone Edge. Oh, they're flying, though, right? Yeah. Oh, yeah. We should still hit him. Rock. Duh. Duh, Draco. Duh. This turned to be really good. I felt like we had lost it for a second, but we hung in there and we drug it out and we won. Or, well, you know, we're hopefully going to win. Does Stonehenge have a opportunity of missing? It does. Okay. So we go to this. And we protect. Just in case we miss. If we miss, that would be terrible. Stonehenge comes through. We do not miss. Pick up the KO. GG's is my opponent. Really good battle. Great time. That was a good one. I liked it. Had fun. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, you know what to do. Hit that like button if you're new to the channel. We are trying to get to 200 subscribers, so hit that subscribe button, and let's get into another battle. 1 second. Alright, got another casual battle. And Ben here has a... Is that Oricarlo? I don't know how to pronounce it. It's the Dancing Bird Pokemon, which I found out recently has a pretty decent shiny. I think we go Pelipper. And... Man, Magnemite. Wow. Look at me not knowing my Pokemon. Magnezone. Get in the zone. That was so dumb. We could try him out. Why not? We bring up the Floatzel in the back. And... Well, they could have Fake Out too, huh? And it's going to be Arcanine. Because physical. Bunch of physical Pokemon. Alright, let's run it. Let's see what type of trouble we can get into this one. Let's go. GG, have fun. Or good luck, have fun. Getting ahead of myself. Man, I am excited for this San Diego coming up. I really am. Can't wait. I've been missing me some tournament action. I love watching it. I do. I won't compete. It's just not my thing. I'd rather just play like this in my basement, having fun. Okay. So, I have a feeling that we definitely have to Tailwind. Oricario, and we'll go Oricario Thunder. They protect. Good protect. Okay? Good protect. Dragon Dance. Well then, we should have brought our Trick Room User then, I guess. What does that do? What just happened? What was that? It copied it? Oh, that's awesome. I have to check that. That was cool. Okay. Should have thundered the opposite direction. Here's the thing. If we protect, our Magnezone takes double darts. So we can swap here. And we'll just go for a Thunder on the Oricario. Yeah. See what that can do. That protects Dragon Dance. That was pretty good. Pretty good. Put that in your notes there, everyone. Write that down in your notes so you see that happening. You know what to do. Double attack the Pokemon next to the little yellow bird. Arcanine comes out to play. We're just trying to get Intimidate off. That's all we're trying to do here. Oh, Clear Body. Not bad. I kind of figured it was Clear Body. Dragonite takes some damage. So does Magnezone. Popped our air balloon. We get the Thunder off. Oricario, or whatever its name is, hangs on. Proxyberry, that's all good. On the Acrobat. Arcanine is not doing the hottest right now. Let's see. Boy, I'd really like to get a Snarl off. And let's Flash Cannon the Dragapult. Oh, they withdraw the Dragapult. Why is that? Why'd you withdraw that? Oh, I almost thundered that thing. I really was this close to hitting Thunder. I wonder why they withdrawed it. That's interesting. That's an interesting withdrawal. So, what we're going to do is we're going to protect here. We're going to check our rain. 2 and 1. And then we're going to check your back Pokemon. Who do you have that wants to come in and take a Thunder? Nobody. Alright, okay, so they're terrestrializing. Is it going to be ground? Because that would be sick. I would just laugh. Okay, so now it's the Oricario. Oh, boy. My Magnezone is just becoming more and more important here. We protect there. We left that on the field because it's a nice juicy fire Pokemon for that nice juicy water Pokemon who just got thundered to the face and is now no longer a Pokemon. Now they're going to water attack here. Yo, let's go. Get the greedy swords dance on. What's up with that? Okay. Our Tailwind does peter out, unfortunately. Okay. Sableye. Okay. Let's see. Let's switch back into Pelipper. Oh, we should have held our switch off one more turn for the rain to end. I clicked too fast. I should have, yeah, definitely should have held that off for that, because the rain's going to end here. I'm going to try and catch this thing with an extreme speed. Yes, let's go. Here we go. Extreme State says, Oricario, get out of my game. We're playing. This game's really going really well for us. It is. It's going really good. So the rain is going to stop. And it's Dragapult. Okay. So this is swap here. Man, I would love to get Intimidate off. That's the problem I'm having right now. The debate I'm having in my head is, do we Intimidate? I think we have to. Oh, I'm double swapping. I'm double swapping. This is crazy. I can't believe I'm doing this. Oh, they can just Dragon Dance. That Dragapult still is so scary. This battle's not over yet. Not by a long shot. They quash. Let's go. Dragon Darts. Floatzel takes it. Not too bad there. Okay. Now, let's go into Pelipper. And let's go. Let's try and chip the Dragapult is what I'm trying to spit out. Chip the Dragapult. Okay, we have to use our Pokemon lead that we have right now. We got the rain back up. They Shadow Sneak, trying to take out. They thought we were going to switch there. We don't need to switch just yet, because we can take these Dragon Darts. We're taking them just fine. Okay. We Flash Cannon. Huge damage there. Okay. Now we Tailwind. And I'm going to try and hit another Flash Cannon here. If Magnezone goes down, I'm okay with it. I just want the Tailwind up the most. And I'm pretty comfortable in the Sableye taking this. We're going to take the Dragon Dart, is what I'm trying to say. Okay, we're postponed. That's fine. Knew we could take that Dragon Dart. Let's go. Ooh, we just hanging on. Big, bulky Pokemon saying. And that was a crit. And that was a crit. Flash Cannon says, get out of here, Dragapult. And the Sableye is like, what am I going to do? We're just going to catch a Tailwind here. We will Hurricane. And we will Thunder. They Shadow Sneak. Good Shadow Sneak. Way to just hang in there. Magnezone's like, nah, gee, nah, it ain't happening. Not today. You ain't taking me out, Sableye. Magnezone's like, oh, by the way. Did I hear a confusion sound? Yes. Oh, Salt Wound Rubbed. GG's. Way to hang in there. That was a good battle. Magnezone was like, here, Sableye. catch this thunder. GG's. Good battle, good battle. Good battle. Alright. Yeah, let's jump into the third and final battle of the episode. 1 second. Okay. So this is a Trick Room team. Clearly, it's a Trick Room man. So I think if we lead Klefki and the Albeliva scares my water Pokemon. So I think if we go Klefki, Choice Band Garchomp for big damage right away, Arcanine, and we'll bring Magnezone in. We'll leave our Rain at home and we'll run it. We had 2 good battles. First 2 battles were really good. Let's see what this battle brings. Let's see what kind of trouble we can get into this one. Good luck, have fun, let's do it. Let's go. Alright, so let's see what their leads are going to be. I think that is always the most important thing. They go Slowking and Albeliva. I'll believe that's an olive tree. And we go Garchomp. Okay. What if we just protect here? And we Poison Jab. Protect Poison Jab? Is that a thing? Is this a good play? It could be. Poison Jab comes through. Our believe is now gone. Okay. They faint. And Trick Room. Like I knew it was going to happen. The reason I protected there was to make sure I can Trick Room this coming turn, which I'm going to try to do. Which I guess we could have just Trick Roomed their Trick Room right away. Was that a Grassy Seed? Would I bring Arcanine in? He has extreme speed, but I want to reset this Choice Band item. We just have a lot of speed on our team, so we need to try and get this Trick Room done. Probably not. We might have an Instruct coming. Oh, Surf. Oh, no. Arcanine. Oh, no. Arcanine. And a Psychic. Arcanine hangs on with 5 HP, guys. That's great. And we get our Citrus Berry back. And we turn their Trick Room off. Okay. Problem is both those dudes get no Trick Room. Okay, we're going to go Foul Play, I think. You know, the problem is we just intimidated them. So I think we need to do Foul Play, Snarl. Oh, didn't do enough damage. Special attack falls though, so Psychic, that's good. We Foul Play. The Ringaroo, we tried so hard to kill their Pokemon, it just did not work. Arcanine goes down. Arcanine's like, nah, I'm not going down yet. And there's a Trick Room. Okay. Alright. This is what we're going to do. I don't know what we're going to do, actually. We should have just Trick Roomed, eh? We could keep playing that game. We protect here. And we try this extreme speed. Oranguru hangs on. That stupid bulky Pokemon. Psyshock. Is that physical? Okay. Psyshock. Okay, we don't have Protect anymore, unfortunately. Which sucks. And we don't have our priority move anymore. Which also is terrible. I guess we could have brought Floatzel with Aqua Jet in the rain. Oh, I didn't even see that. That's my fault. Okay. Let's go into this guy. And I'm going to try and foul play that. I'm going to try and thunder that. I think that this is they're really bulky Pokemon, so I don't know if we KO this either one of these. Like, they think I'm gonna hit Trick Room. Actually, that's what I try to condition them. Maybe they hit Trick Room. Like, how funny would that be? You know? Okay, so they withdraw the Slowking. Proper. Is it a ground Pokemon? It's a Caparajah. Okay. Facade. It did like nothing. Pop my balloon. Okay, foul play. Okay. What is Thunder gonna do here? Caparajah did not want to take that amount of damage that it took. So they only have 2 Pokemon left, okay? Okay. We have 3. They have 2 turns of Trick Room. I'm going to go into Caparajah. I'm just going to Protect and go into Caparajah. Which I know we could Terrafire, but they high horsepower. Should have switched and Trick Roomed. Popping the balloon was really good. They doubled up with a flamethrower. They were like, no, absolutely not. Let's try Trick Room. I wish we had Protect. Steel. Because they can totally just... Alright, let's try Trick Room. And Earthquake. Yeah, there's the Surf. It doesn't do much to Garchomp. They high horsepower in the Garchomp. Garchomp lives. Okay. They get a rough skin. We're going to get an Earthquake off. The problem is we might knock out our own Pokemon. Yeah, we sure did. And we didn't... Oh, we knocked out Caparajah. Let's go. Trick Room ends at the end of this turn, by the way. Okay. Alright, so I think we got this. It was tough there in the end. But I think we got this. Their Surf ain't doing nothing. And the dimensions are back to normal. So, hey, are we going to be the guy that Terrasses is like? Nah, we're not. We don't need to do that. We'll just EQ. GG's. That was a good one. Fought to the end. That was a good one. 3 really good battles. 3 really good battles. Alright. Let's jump over and grab the rental code for you guys. 1 second. Alright, here it is. Rental code for today's episode. It's a rain team with Floatzel, and the whole reason why I chose it was to use Floatzel, and I didn't use Floatzel. The team's awesome. Really fun. Some really good battles. Really good bulk there. with like the Magnezone and stuff like that. Arcanine coming in to deliver Intimidates. We were able to kind of counteract the Trick Room in that last battle. We kind of I could have just hit Trick Room again and then played like knowing they were gonna hit Trick Room and just followed up with hitting Trick Room to keep the speed. But I felt at the time that we had the bulk to do it. But then they made that really clever play where they popped the air balloon on Magnezone, which then allowed it to get hit by an Earth Power, taking it out. But we were able to still rely. We were just their Trick Rooms were running out. So like in the back of my head, I knew that they had 2 turns of Trick Room left on that one turn, and then being 1 turn, and then we just ended up being able to pick up the KO in the end. Trick Room ended. We timed it, we just had to time it perfectly, and that's the thing. We could have played the you set Trick Room, I set Trick Room, you set Trick Room, I set Trick Room, while I'm trying to knock out their Trick Room users. But I figured just knock out their Trick Room users instead of playing that. We'll just keep pressing Trick Room together, which they nerfed the Trick Room. There's only 5, and there's only 5 on this team, which it's not PP maxed. So yeah, yep, I just realized that. Most of them are PB max, and they have 8. So, if you can play that game for 8 turns, but I ain't trying to do that. I'm trying to battle. Anyways, huge shout out to the creative team. I'll have any information I can find for them below. Team's going to be Pelipper, Garchomp, Magnezone, Klefki, Floatzel, Arcanine. Sweet squad. Really had a great time. Don't forget to answer the question of the day, and that's just, what do you think is going to be the most used Pokemon at San Diego? And if you did enjoy this content, you know what to do. Hit that like button, and we are trying to get to 200 subscribers, so hit that subscribe button. And until next time, stay positive, and I will catch you guys in the next one.